So this is pretty cool, guys. A $5,000 day in my affiliate marketing business working part-time. Yes, this is possible. This is very, very possible. 4,000 of this is actual profit. 1,000 of it is an actual admin fee. So if you want to be super technical, it's roughly $4,025. That's minus admin fees that I've been able to create today. And I'm going to show you the exact system that I used. And it's very simple. It's very straightforward to produce these results. So if you're looking forward to the content within this video, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel. And I do daily videos for the most part, showing you guys exactly what I'm doing inside of my affiliate marketing business to generate these results. So these videos aren't just fluff filler. I show you actionable steps that you can take to start generating results online. Now, I can't guarantee that you're going to generate these results overnight, but if you're consistent like I've been, this is very, very possible for you. So let me show you the paint by number system that I use to go ahead and generate these results. Some of you guys have seen it before, but this thing works. I want to show you that this thing works. This is called multiple income funnel. What is it? It's a system that sells different products and services for you on your behalf in the marketing space. So think of it as a system that sells a university. Okay, it's a system that sells a university. So instead, let's say you want to go to a certain university, right? You get the pamphlets, you meet with counselors, you meet with, you go to the school, you initially have like salespeople that try to sell you on the fact and the reasons why you should go to a certain college or a certain school, right? What if you can automate that? What if you had different school options and you can watch various videos that are designed to sell you on a certain school to go to? That's exactly what this is. It's essentially a system that promotes and sells informational digital products in the marketing space. We're talking about products that teach you how to build a brand, get more like Instagram followers, build a YouTube channel, learn how to communicate, marketing and sales. That's really what the products inside of this system teach. So, and you can earn up to $2,000 plus per sell. So I actually made 2 sales in the amount of $2,000. That's how I made this commission right here. But I didn't do any of the selling. This system did all the selling. So let's go ahead and let's show you step by step exactly what you need to do with this system. So step 1 is to click the link below in the description. Go ahead and join multiple income funnel. Okay. Once you get access to the system, you're going to come to step 1 right here. All you need to do is join the Facebook group here. Watch this video, join the Facebook group. Simple enough, right? Step 2 is to set up your income streams. So you have income stream number 1, which is multiple income funnel in of itself. You can relicense it and resell it and earn $20 per month per customer, which is really cool. So all you need to do is watch this video, plug in your multiple income funnel affiliate link right here. You're good to go. Income stream number 2 is known as E1U Life. This is the income stream that I earned $2,000 commissions from. 2 $2,000 commissions came from this video right here. So 2 people watched this video all the way through. They joined E1U Life at the highest level, and I was able to earn $2,000. So the highest level is known as Vertex Live. It's $2,500. You earn $2,000 commissions. And all I did was send people through this system that you're seeing right here, and they upgraded to the highest level. So really, really powerful stuff. And what's really cool about this system is when you plug in your affiliate link right here, and you also send people through this system, because your affiliate link is plugged in and programmed here, when people sign up for these income streams, you get the commission, and these videos do all the selling and telling for you. You guys starting to realize the power? It's pretty dang cool. Income stream number 3 is known as the Home Business Academy. And by the way, I haven't shown you guys the income results of these other income streams, which for the day I've done well over $5,000 in my business, but I didn't want to bore you with the extra commissions. But this system is definitely bringing in extra commissions in conjunction with E1U Life. So I'm earning from Home Business Academy, multiple income funnel, And then of course, number 4 is traffic authority. So again, you watch the video here, you sign up, you get activated, and then you complete the next step. After you complete income stream number 4, you've watched all the videos on step 1, 2, 3, 4. Then all you need to do is go to step 3 right here on top. So again, step 2 has these 4 subsets or sub-steps right here. Step 3 right here has just one step to set up your e-wallet so you can get paid through multiple income funnel for making multiple income funnel sales. And then step 4, you have the back office tour right here. So I want to show you something cool because you guys are going to be able to copy a bonus here. That's going to be really, really awesome. I obviously leverage my advertising through YouTube traffic and also email marketing. Okay, so you might be wondering, Josh, well, how are you getting sales to multiple income funnel to generate the extra sales? Again, I'm using YouTube and I'm using email marketing. And you're going to be able to copy all of my assets here in just a second. We're talking my same YouTube videos that I use to get these results, the same emails, et cetera, et cetera. It's going to be really cool. I'm going to tell you about it in just a second, but I want to show you that my assets actually work because if we go to the leaderboard here, right now, really close to the number 1 spot, these are my referrals for this given week right here. So we're number 2 right now. So again, my assets work. I'm always at the top of these leaderboards. If you look weekly and monthly, I'm actually number 1 here in E1U Life as one of the income streams. So let's go ahead and just jump over there and log in real quickly so you guys can see. And again, this isn't to brag or to boast, but I want to show you guys, I know what I'm doing when it comes to marketing. And again, you guys get to copy my whole entire process. I'm number 1 right here. I was number 1 last month too as well. If we go back to February, look, number 1 again. Guys, I know what I'm doing when it comes to marketing on the internet, and I want to truly help you. So there's a few steps that you need to complete. Number 1, set up your multiple income funnel here. Complete all the steps. That's it. When you complete all the steps, you get upgraded within each of these steps. Then you will be set to go. Again, make sure on income stream number 2, you set yourself up at the highest level because most people will pay the $2,500 to get access to the ability to earn $2,000 commissions. That's why I get these high ticket sales. And it's all because of step 2 right here and the video right here. You got to watch the whole thing so you understand the value. And then you'll notice that your prospects will upgrade to the highest level. Now you need to be at the highest level to earn commissions off of your prospects that upgrade to the highest level because they will. Obviously, you know that because you see the proof within this video. So after you've set up all your income streams right here, then what you need to do is reach out to me on Facebook, okay, Messenger. There's going to be a link as step 2 below because I need to give you access to the marketing assets, okay? And I want to get you plugged into our Telegram group and everything. So make sure you complete step 1, sign up for multiple income funnel, sign up for all the different income streams. Then step 2, reach out to me so I can give you access to the campaign and the assets that I use to make these big ticket commissions with multiple income funnel and reach the top of the leaderboards. Again, leveraging YouTube traffic and leveraging email marketing. And the cool thing about this is you don't even have to show your face. You can leverage my assets. You can leverage my authority, stand on the shoulders of giants to make money on the internet. It's really powerful. You are able to copy my emails. We use artificial intelligence too as well. It's really, really cool. So complete the steps below and also make sure to subscribe and tick the bell icon so you're notified of tomorrow's video on the next steps. You want to make sure that you do that. Subscribe, tick the bell icon. If you don't tick the bell icon, you will not be notified. Okay, so make sure you do both. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Complete the steps below. Look forward to talking to you over on Facebook personally as well. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.